Alright, welcome to Tech Freelance Hub. You've clicked on this video because you want to use you want to make a free purchase on the website, or maybe you don't want to use your card. Yes, you might have come across a website that have told you that their service they are rendering or offering is free, and you want to request their service, and you end up saying that you have to make a payment. Or even if you're not making a payment, you end up saying you have to input your card details before you could be able to access the 14 days free trial or the 7 days free trial. Maybe you want to buy a number online, or you just want to make use of the number, or a proxy. You just want to experiment and see if it's something good for you. But you don't want to end up putting your card because you don't need that service for a longer time, and you might forget after putting your card and decide deducting your money. Alright, there's no problem. This is how you're going to do that. So watch this very video to the end and you see the website you're going to use and how to get this free virtual card. It could be a dollar card, it could be a pounds card, any of the country, UK, US, even Nigerian. You can get a Visa card or a MasterCard for any of these payments. It's free. You don't have to pay for these cards. And if you want to actually make use of them for a real purchase, that's the way you're going to do that as well. So stay tuned to this video and watch it to the very end. And also don't forget to give your thumbs up if you're getting value. And also don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So when you visit a website that says it's free, but they are asking you to input your bank card details for free trials, most times you are just afraid due to your money, or maybe you just want to test it out and you not really want to do something much. So you don't have to worry, there's no problem with that. Let me teach you how to get the free bank cards to use for it. So follow this very video to the very end. So the first is to visit this website that says You Money. So when you visit the website, go to the sign up side and click on sign up. So this is what is gonna appear and be like. So you now go to number 2. So what you have to do next is to click on the +7. So when you click on the +7, then choose your country. Like now, if you're staying in Nigeria, like I'm a Nigerian, I maybe want to visit Nigerian sites, or I want to visit another site. But any site you want to visit, but you have to choose it according to the country you want. So if you are to choose Nigeria or the country that you are located in, then put your number and proceed to the next. So when you come here to this phase, you will receive a call instantly telling you the 4 codes that will be sent to you, and you must enter the 4 codes. Or maybe if you didn't hear the codes well, you don't have problem with that. You can check so if you happen not to have gotten the code, so what you to do is immediately the countdown ends and you didn't get the code, then you go through the phone call as well. You will see the request it through the SMS. Then the code could be sent to you via SMS. Then choose that and you will get it on SMS instantly. It doesn't take long because this is something that is done so easily. They did it such a way it will be easy for anybody to use. So next step is they're going to ask you which one do you want. So you're going to choose the option 2, that the arrow pointing down, the arrow press pointing toward the virtual card for online and offline shopping. For example, at stores and cafes. So this card that you'll be getting, you can use it for online shopping. You can use it for a physical purchase. Just that don't use this for a scam purpose. Don't use it for a scam purpose. They have option that you can fund the card and make actual payments. You can make actual payment, and you can choose not to make actual payment, but don't use it for fraud purposes. But what you're gonna do, don't use the card for illegal purposes, else you're gonna learn, and you're gonna learn the hard way. So don't play. So next phase, you're gonna see this or say your virtual card is already valid. It's now in the card section. You can find its details there. Card number, expiration date, and the CVP2. So you will see this. So click on the highlighted words, which is card. This is a Russian sign, so you can use the Google Translator to translate, so you could be able to read them in English language. Okay, on this next phase, so here now, you will see this that will tell you a virtual card. So what you're going to do is then you can view the card number and the CVV, but you will be sent a verification code on the text messages again to confirm it. So endeavor to get the message. So if you receive the codes of verification, then you will be able to see your card details and all. So view them one by one and write it down. So you can use it whenever you want to make a purchase, whenever you want to, pay for something online. If you want to pay for proxy, you want to pay for your US number, whatever you want to pay for, then you can use a card for it. So you've got your card, and also let me add this: when using on the website, you are using, like when you're using the website, you are using when they ask. So when they ask you the name on the card, just write your money virtual. Your money virtual. You can use the name, and also let me blow your mind. Also, you can use the free virtual US number. You can use a free virtual US number together with this method to create a free US or UK bank cards. Just be smart to know how to go about it. This is not for dummies. If you ain't smart, you ain't gonna benefit from this. So you gotta be smart and be smart around it. I've already given you a clue. You can use the virtual free US number or UK or Canada, whichever one you want to make use of. So I hope these tips really helps, and if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comments section, and don't forget to give me a video request. I will make my research and I'll do a video about that. And subscribe to the channel because I'll be making a video on how you can actually get this card delivered to your doorstep. Yeah, you can actually get the card delivered to you, and also how to get a long-lasting free numbers. If you are a freelancer, maybe you're into baseline, you're doing Atlantis, you're doing Wells Project Wells, you're doing media search analysts. They are all baseline. Atlantis is a baseline project. Media search analyst is a baseline project. Project Wells is a baseline project. Media search analyst it's for intelligent digital. Why Atlantis is for one former. Yeah, the platform host is one former. Why Project Wells is for apping. So if you're doing this, definitely you're gonna be needing what's it called? iCloud. So and you'll be needing these numbers for the iCloud creation. So I'll be telling your website you're gonna get it for free. Long lesson that you will be receiving lifetime OTP. And if you want to buy, I'll teach you how to make use of this card to make a purchase. But I need to see how this video performs. So give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to share. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.